Check it out. Got the Fenix WT16R, multi-purpose and rechargeable work light. Just quick little details you can pause and look at. I'm not gonna go into all this shit too much. Just do a quick little unboxing and first impressions. It's a little annoying to get this shit open. Just got this in the mail today, a little excited. You got some manuals and stuff. Little card. Ooh, that's a kind of a nice little camping light. I might pick that up. A little brochure with some other shit they got. Pretty cool. I got mine for I think it was like 52. It's an instruction manual. Pretty thick too. A little warranty card. Probably won't fill that out. So got a little lanyard. Micro, USB-C. You know what that looks like. Alright, here's the light. Zoom in a little bit. There we go, alright. So first thing I gotta say, this is a little bigger than I thought it would be. I have pretty big hands. So I don't know if it's really pocketable, but it doesn't make a good work light, so it's definitely feasible. Let me find a quarter real quick. There we go. So there's a quarter. For a little comparison. Alright. I think this thing swivels too. Or maybe this one doesn't. I think one of their models swivels on the top. This looks like it comes off though. Alright, let's see what else we got. Belt clip, magnet, power button, end light, work light, USB port. That shit ain't focusing, is it? There it goes. Try to keep it down flat. So you press the power button once, tells you the battery level, I'm assuming. Press and hold. Ooh, that's kind of blue. Actually, that's not blue in person, it's kind of white. Yeah, it just looks blue in the camera. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. It's pretty warm actually, kind of a 5,000 K I would say. Alright, press, you get the brightnesses. Press and hold again, you get the work light. Again, the lens or the camera settings are making it look blue. It's not blue at all. It's actually kind of warm. Yeah. Alright, see, press once. There we go, yellow flasher. That's pretty accurate. My lens is kind of dirty right now. 1, 2. So you get 2 brightnesses for the work light. I'll do another video outside in the dark. Probably under the hood, just to give you an idea. Alright, hold off. Hold the button off. Sorry, hold the button and it turns off. So you press it, it just tells you the battery level. Press and hold. It's the lowest end light setting. Press and hold to turn off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So you got 3 brightnesses for the end light. And you got 2 for the work light. You got a yellow flasher. Yellow flasher I kind of like. I think that might be handy. Maybe if you break down on the road, maybe just attach it to the car for an extra light or something. I don't know. Probably use it at work too. I do like the work light though, it is pretty fucking bright, even on low. But yeah, there it is. Probably should do this with flash. See if it'll zoom in. That's weird. That's funny. My camera detects that it's on a tripod somehow. Oh, maybe because it has like a sensor in the fucking thread or something. Let's see if I can get this shit to focus. I think that's about as close as I can get. It's a little hard to get back in. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, so far so good. The body feels a little cheap, plasticky. The work light feels kind of cheap. So yeah, I don't know. Just looking at it and feeling it, I wouldn't say 50, but I don't know. It is well built, so we'll see. I'll post a working video a little later. Show how it actually does.